WEBKNOSSOS is a great tool for collaboratively annotating large 3D images. In this video, we will show you how to make the most out of the basic and smart annotation tools of WEBKNOSSOS, along with its mesh capabilities and layer system. If you are new to WEBKNOSSOS.org, start by signing up for a free account. Enter your name, email address, and password, and click on Create Free Account. You will be directed to the Featured Publications page. Select a dataset from the list of publications to start annotating a demo dataset. Alternatively, watch our tutorial on how to upload your own data. Click on Create Annotation to begin. Navigate through the dataset and zoom in to find the cell you want to annotate. Select the brush tool to create your first volume annotation. Use the eraser tool to correct mistakes. Create a new segment by selecting a new segment ID. Use the trace tool to draw more precise contours. WEBKNOSSOS also supports skeleton annotations. Use them to trace processes, measure distances, add comments, and more. Now, let's explore the smart tools of WEBKNOSSOS. First, activate the Quick Select tool. In the settings, choose the number of sections you'd like to predict. Then, click on a cell to automatically segment it across the chosen number of sections. Repeat this process as much as needed, and you will have your cell segmented in no time. Alternatively, you can draw a rectangle around the cell you'd like to segment. Another smart tool of WEBKNOSSOS is the Interpolation tool. To use it, start by annotating a cell on one section. Move a few sections forward in the Z direction. Annotate the cell again. Now, click the Interpolation tool or use the shortcut V. WEBKNOSSOS interpolated between the two sections, so that the cell is annotated on each section. To create a 3D mesh, right-click on your annotation and click on Compute Mesh. Hide the planes in the 3D viewport to fully enjoy your 3D mesh. If you want to have a look at even more impressive meshes, go to the featured publication and choose a dataset with an existing mesh file. Right-click on a segment and choose Load Mesh. Maximize the 3D viewport and enjoy the view. WEBKNOSSOS works with a layer system, similar to Photoshop. You will usually have the raw data layer at the top, as well as optional additional layers, like this machine learning-based prediction layer. You can change the opacity and use the histogram to change the contrast of your data. Then, you will find the segmentation layers for volume and skeleton annotations. Adjust and explore the different available settings, and toggle the visibility of the annotation layers as needed. You can have multiple segmentation or volume layers to annotate overlapping objects. Once a volume annotation layer is active, you can start annotating. Open a dataset and start annotating right now. Get started for free at WEBKNOSSOS.org.